One ship turned the tide of war. One name became a symbol of strength. And one dream rose again from scrap to glory. This is the true story of INS Vikrant, the heart of India's naval power. Built by the British, reborn by India, Vikrant wasn't just a ship, it was a floating fortress. She ruled the seas in 1971, blocking enemy ports and launching airstrikes that rewrote history. The story of INS Vikrant began in the 1943 during World War II, when the British started building an aircraft carrier named HMS Hercules. But before the ship could be completed, the war ended and the project was left unfinished. For more than a decade, it remained unused. In 1957, India purchased the incomplete ship from the United Kingdom with the vision of building a strong navy. After 6 years of refitting and upgrades, the ship was finally ready. On March 4, 1961, it was commissioned into the Indian Navy as INS Vikrant, India's first aircraft carrier. It marked a big step forward in India's defense and naval capabilities. But Vikrant wasn't just a giant ship. It became a war hero. It played a key role in India's victory during the 1971 Indo-Pak War. During the conflict, Vikrant was deployed to the Bay of Bengal. It carried Seahawk fighter jets and Allies aircraft used to launch airstrikes on important ports in East Pakistan, including Chittagong and Cox's Bazar. By doing this, Vikrant cut off Pakistan's naval access to the eastern front, making it nearly impossible for supplies or reinforcements to reach. This helped India gain control over the region quickly. The success of these missions played a major part in the creation of a new country, Bangladesh. INS Vikrant became known as a symbol of India's naval strength and courage during wartime. Even after the 1971 war, INS Vikrant continued to serve India for many years, conducting naval exercises, training fighter pilots, and adapting to new technologies like the Sea Harrier jets. For over 3 decades, it stood as a strong symbol of India's growing presence at sea. But after decades of glorious service, INS Vikrant was decommissioned in 1997. For a while, it became a museum ship in Mumbai, where thousands came to visit and remember its legacy. But due to high maintenance costs and legal challenges, the ship was eventually scrapped in 2014. It was a painful moment. India's first aircraft carrier was gone. But some heroes never truly disappear. They live on in history and in the hearts of a grateful nation. Even though the original INS Vikrant was retired, India was not ready to let its legacy fade. So in 2009, India began building a new Vikrant, not imported but fully designed and constructed in India. This marked a major step in India's journey towards self-reliance in defense. It took over 13 years of dedicated effort by Indian engineers, scientists and shipbuilders. And in 2022, India officially commissioned its first indigenously built aircraft carrier, the new INS Vikrant, also known as the IAC-1. The new Vikrant weighs around 45,000 tons and is over 260 meters long, roughly the size of 2 football fields. This aircraft carrier can carry around 30 aircraft, including MiG-29K fighter jets, Chemo-31 helicopters, and advanced naval choppers. To launch aircraft, it uses a ski jump ramp and follows the tow-bar system. Short takeoff but arrested recovery. It has a high-tech radar systems, advanced medical facilities, and has everything needed to support a crew of around 1,600 personnel on board. What makes this ship even more special is that over 76% of it was built with Indian materials, including specially developed warship-grade steel. More than 500 Indian companies contributed to its construction. From designing the combat systems to building the engines, it's more than just an aircraft carrier. It's a strong example of India's progress in defense manufacturing and a reminder that we can build and protect our own future. It is strong, smart, and completely Indian. It reminds us that progress is not about forgetting the past. It's about building on it. The name Vikrant means courageous, and that's what it's always been. From her British beginnings to Indian glory, her war victories to rebirth, INS Vikrant's journey reflects the spirit of our nation, a story of hope, pride, and never give up. And now, IT sails again, stronger, prouder, and 100% Indian. I hope you liked this video. For more such inspiring stories, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned to my channel. Until my next video, stay curious and keep reading. Jai Hind! Signing off, Page Pulse Bailey. See you next time.